Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about a fire starter. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Today we're going to talk about a ferro rod fire starter kit that you can pick up off of Amazon, and we're going to break it down and I'm going to give you my opinion on it. So what we're going to talk about is the LightArctic fire kit. Okay, so there'll be a link in the description for this product, but we're going to talk about it real quick. So it comes in this felt velvet bag. Not a huge fan of the bag, but it does keep it all nice and neat in one little package. So let's grab this and pull it out. So what you get when you make this purchase is you get a ferro rod that has a compass. It has a whistle. It doesn't work very well. The compass, I wouldn't trust my life on the compass, but that's not what we're paying for here. We're paying for a ferro rod. You got your striker here. You can see I've used this. One side is serrated, the other side is flat. So the serrated edge, if you need to saw something for Tinder, or if you needed to really get down on this, you could. And attached to this cordage is this little container. So also with this package, you get this, which has an O-ring. It is watertight, and inside you get a piece of cotton Tinder. Now this is like tightly wound and packed. So that's where you use your serrated edge, and you can saw on this and kind of fray it open so you can throw sparks at it and let it catch. So when you make this purchase, if I can keep up with the Tinder, you can replace what's in here. You don't have to keep this little Tinder wad. You can put twigs, you can cut up some bark, whatever, and put in this little pill carrier because it's got an O-ring. You can put anything in here you want. Now something else you get when you make this purchase is they send you a little Ziploc bag, and they send you 2 extra pieces of Tinder in this package. Now I have used one testing it out and it worked amazing. I did not get it filmed, but it did work amazing. So I would not depend on the whistle or the compass, but as for a fire starting, this is a ferro rod with a really decent plastic handle that's got some good grip on it so you can hold it. It's not going anywhere. And this is probably a little bit shy of 3/8 of an inch, and I would venture to say it's about 3.5 to 4 inches long. So let's talk about price. So for this, 15 bucks on Amazon. $15. There are ferro rods with no striker that cost more than $15 on Amazon. So for what you get out of this, I believe it's worth $15. I picked this up mainly to do a review for you guys. I apologize for not taking a video of striking the fire tinder that came with it, but I do know that it works really, really well. It throws a lot of sparks, and you can see that. Maybe I don't start nothing on fire out here, but it does throw a good bit of sparks for a $15 ferro rod and fire kit. So definitely check it out if you are in need of a new fire kit. This is definitely something. It won't be my primary, of course, but this is something that I will probably keep in my truck, keep in a get home bag or something of that nature, maybe even a bug out bag, something that I would have and would be there if I needed it. Really good and decent product for 15 bucks. So get over, check it out. Links will be in the description below. And until next time, guys, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.